Hello guys, and welcome back to this interesting video. So in this particular video I'm going to be showing you how to create a collage effect on Higgsfield AI, and this is how to do it. The first thing is to go to this website higgsfield.ai. Second thing is to sign in or sign up if you have not signed in. The third step is to go to the visual effects. Fourth step, go to the collage effect here, click on it, and you'll be brought to a page like this. Now you would see various effects, various examples of the effects that's of this particular effect, and you can either click on any of them or create your own by clicking on the generate button here. So once you've done that, you'll be brought to a page like this where you just have to upload your image. Now the next step will be for you to, after uploading your image, will be for you to actually click or type in your prompt in the prompt section here, then choose your model. Now the thing is that most of these effects come with their own models, which means that each effect has their own model, but doesn't mean you can't switch to a different model if you're trying to maximize the amount of credits or minimize the amount of credits you use per video generation. Because for each video generation you have up to, you can use minimum of 5 credits, while some can take as high as 10, and intermediately you can see 8 credits. So if you're trying to, or if you want something of a longer duration, you can just click on the models and just go through them. You see some have 8, some can even generate with audio like this Google View 3. Others do not have audio, so if you're looking for something with audio, you can try these ones, or you can see these ones have the paid versions of them. But if you're looking for ones, for some that are for free versions, you can use this Minimax, you can use 1, 2, 2, and then you can use Higgsfield lights. So Higgsfield light is one is my go-to. So after doing that, you can just click on generate, and after a few minutes your video will be rendered properly here. And this is an example of the video I created using this particular effect. So once your video is done, you can proceed to download it here by clicking on this icon, and it will be downloaded to your system, and you can now use it for whatever you want to use it for. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to the channel.